This is how you can bring back the legacy models of ChatGPT. So on the desktop web version, you can navigate to chatgpt.com and log in with your account. By the way, this option to bring back the legacy models is only available if you're subscribing to the Plus or Pro version of ChatGPT. Now after that, you can click on your profile picture, go to settings, and under general, you want to toggle this option that says show additional models. And after that, you can close this window. And after that, you can select the model that you want to use. Right now, I do have access for GPT-4o, GPT 4.1, O3, and O4 mini. I'm using the Plus version of ChatGPT, and that's why there is no GPT 4.5, as it is very expensive, and right now it is only available for the Pro subscribers in ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the mobile app version. If you're using the mobile app version of ChatGPT, you can launch the app normally and be sure that you are using the latest version. And after that, you can click this option and then tap on your profile picture and go to personalization and enable legacy models right here. Let's go back again, and after that, you should be able to select the legacy models. There you go. So that's basically how you can bring back the legacy models, especially the GPT-4 models in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.